Okay, random number between 1 and 12. 5, so we're trading in May. And then we'll go 2020 to 2025. Go to February. Wait, what? No, May 2022. Right. Okay. Just to show you that it's random. I don't know what I was doing on my phone before. 2022. 50. No, 2022. Oh, I'm so blind. So, Monday. That's when. Let's go 145. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god, this takes so long sometimes. God, it's a boring watch for you guys. For you guys. I've just been playing. And off, yes. What the fuck? Why is it? Oh, I put 1 in the morning. Right. I don't know why it like saves drawings in different sessions. It's so weird. Okay. What are we doing on the daily chart? In a bearish momentum swing. We've just swept these lows. We had a bit of a retrace, but we didn't come up and take this daily intermediate just yet, so that could be a possibility. But it looks like we just re-swept this low on the daily. There is. We have entered that one, right? Yeah. I'm just going to mark out daily lows to that because that's the best. Draw liquidity. Same with yes. See if we swept this draw yet. No, we haven't. So forming an S&T with this daily at the moment, so that's something to watch out for. And it looks. Wait, did ES take that out already? Yeah, that's just not giving me an idea. Why is it like we have equal highs? God, I hate how that's a thing. Why am I having to zoom in? So, okay, we have equal highs. Like, what the fuck is that? Okay. And then we've got the 4-hour on NQ. Come into it, but not really come into it. Just come into it and then sweat this low. Yep. So I can also see us coming back up into there. Currently in this daily gap, this could send us lower, or it could come up and invert it, and then we'll probably go up to the upside. So, also got this 15. Just piecing the puzzle together from the highest time frame to the lowest time frame. I'll do the same with the S. So we've got this bearish 1 hour. It's going to send us lower. We'll see. Yeah, nothing else to really look at here. Okay. I mean, we open high. Can we maybe re-manipulate this high, then come lower? Because we've edged this 930 low. So I'm on 30-second time frame here. 15-minute gap is still on top, I believe, and we've got equal lows there now. So if we do resweep this high, Maybe get an S&T, that would be a lovely short. So we're on a 30-second time frame. Look for, no, okay, let's just come into it anyway. I was looking for a resweep there, but we didn't get it, which is fine. We're holding up in this 15? Doesn't look like we are. So because we've inversed, well, we're probably going to inverse this 15-minute, you can maybe look for a 5-minute continuation, perhaps. I mean, is that the close there? Yes, it's already inversed this on the 5-minute, actually. Wait, is that 5-minute? The 5-minute, we haven't inversed it here, so I don't think I'll take that short. And then we've got 4 more minutes until it closes anyway. So, yeah, I'm not going to take this short. I don't think I want to trade off this 5-minute that's getting created. Yeah, it looks like we're bouncing off the rejection wick, so potentially an inversion of this gap. We've now swept that daily low on ES. Did get an S&T there, you know. What was that, a 5-minute? Hold on. Just so confusing, I can't lie. So we swept this low. Do we get some sort of inversion to the upside? No, not at all. Okay, that's fine. Let's see. We are expecting this 15-minute as well. So I can see us coming up to this high. See if we get a 5-minute inversion here. We might take it. Got 4 minutes to go. I was just absolutely taken out on target already. That's fine. But what we can target is up here now. So maybe we get a 5-minute long. Okay. Got a 5-minute gap here. Hopefully we can trade up. We do have an S&T at the highs. I'm just watching out for that. As in we've come up here and swept this 9:30 opening candle, and we haven't on ES as of yet. Do we also have a 5? We don't have a 5-minute, but it still has inversed the 5-minute. So I'm not too worried about that S&T. Well, it actually does have a double S&T. Is there any sign of why price would come down? Inverse all the 15-minute. We are holding up in this 30-minute. But honestly, I can see us, because we're in an hourly now, 10 minutes to go. We'll see what price does out this 5-minute, okay? Delete that. It looks like we're expecting like 50% of this range, so we could go lower here. I mean, is there a 30-second in there? I don't really want to take a 30-second. It's a 30-second here. I'm not seeing anything I love just yet. Maybe if we inverse this 30-second here. Or, I mean, that took a while to inverse there. And we are 5 minutes before. We don't have a higher time frame gap below us. I don't mind this long. The 1 minute it looks pretty good. You know what? I'm going to give this a shot and take this. It's not the best. We'll put it 50% of this 5-minute wick. It's not the best long in the world, but I can see it playing out. I mean, to be honest, if we're truly bullish, I don't see a real break-even point. Maybe if we sweep this and then re-sweep up. But I do like this long. Actually, when was it? When was it? When was the manipulation? 9:45. We come below 9:45 opening price. You get a 1 minute change in state delivery to the upside as well. So I'm pretty confident about this trade actually. Um, except for the fact that we are currently in an hourly, but it looks like we're going through that. I mean, maybe it doesn't close in the next 5 minutes, but I'm willing to take this. See how we go. Ooh, 30 seconds. What have we done there? We haven't hit our break-even point just yet, but I feel we are. Yeah, I think I'm going to break even just there and hope we don't come down. Oh, yes. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, I would have gone break even anyway because we just had news. This news candle here. But I mean, that was a good trade. I didn't want to put my stop any lower, any higher, sorry, but maybe I thought like yeah, we've edged this draw again, so I'm pretty confident still we're going to come up into it. We have respected the hourly on the S, so I'm not. We have inversed it on NQ, but I'm still fairly confident about this draw. So maybe we get a resweep or something. Low 15 minute. Do have. Is this data low candle? Yeah, it is. So I'm going to go like that. Okay, data low is intact still. So maybe get some sort of sweep of data low before coming up. I'm still fairly confident about the draw. Ooh, okay. Looks like we're going to come down here. I mean, we're coming up into this 15-minute rejection wick, which is delivered from this key level. We've inversed the upside, so I'm still technically quite bullish here. Let's see how we react though. We could get some sort of inverse to the upside here. On these peak now, we have just inversed that. Is that the highest time frame? Looks like it is to me. Um, the reason I don't like this is because our stop loss just looks really weird. We haven't really reacted from this level, and we've inversed the 5 minutes to the downside, so I can see this as a manipulation leg coming up. There's also an SMT that's high. I'm not loving this. Like, for me to be bullish now, I'd want us to inverse this 4 minute, which is the highest time frame inverse to the upside, and then we can then target that high back up here. So let's see if we do that. Or is this manipulation? It's at the 4 minute. Oh, we don't get the close in the 4 minute, which is a bit unfortunate. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay. That's unlucky because I would have taken that. Oh, we did get. No, it wasn't 5 minute. No, that was a close in the 4 minute. That's unlucky. I didn't really want to take that just because we've literally inversed the 5 minute to the downside there, but I get that. That's clear manipulation um, and distribution, but I was just making sure. I mean, maybe I could take something here on the 1 minute, but by that time we've already swept it on the S, and I feel a bit unconfident. Maybe we come back into this 5 minute and go along, edge this high again. That would be really nice, but I think it's going to flush straight through. Yeah. Okay, well, draw liquidity was right, which is really important. Didn't get a trade in there. Um, didn't get the close you wanted. It already hit our break-even point, which would be this high. You see the 4 minute candles already taken out. I mean, was there a 3 minute in there maybe I could have taken? Yeah, 3 minute as well. It's just boosted up here. 2 minute? Like, there's nothing obvious in the 2 minute. So I'll probably stick to the highest time frame there, but that's oh well. Oh well. Draw liquidity was right. Got broke even once. If I'd lost the trade on this long here, I'll be quite mad. I mean, it's barely closed. Oh no, it has closed. We also have this rejection wick here. And our stop loss is low resistance as well. So it's not the best trade. but draw liquidity was right. Just didn't get in there. Okay, let's go to the next session. Good start, even though we haven't won. We've navigated price really nicely. Um, yeah, let's do that again. Okay, we have swept this. Okay. Wow, there's a big rejection from that area. We're in the daily gap on ES, so I could potentially see us reacting from that. Or maybe we go straight through it. On the 4 hour, we've come up to equilibrium with this 4 hour. Let's check it from this high. Yeah, so I can see us coming down. Um, I'm definitely more bearish still. I mean, we've got the range low down here. We also have a nice hourly intermediate gap to target as well. So I can see us coming maybe up to here, reaction from that level, then coming down, or something. I'm not really overly bearish or bullish right now. It's just it's a case of seeing what's going on. Okay. So we have two kind of nice 15-minute gaps here. Intermediate low. So maybe react off there and go higher. But we'll see. We're going slow as hell today. Just gonna mark out the same thing on the ES just to make sure. That I'm correlated. This is what I do with my actual charts. I know some people go back testing really quick, but SCBA, it's hard. Wow. We do edge that low. She's so peculiar. So maybe I'm looking for distribution from this 5 minute. I mean, rejection from that low is crazy. Can't believe we just edged it like that. 5 minutes not sponsored either. Holding up in ES here, taking out all that liquidity actually. So we do have an SMT from this high here. And we draw it out. So let's see how we react off this 5 minute, and we'll see. I don't even get the tap into the 5 minute, which is fine. Not really looking for anything here. Looks a bit choppy. Maybe a resweep of the low. Version of the upside. Ooh. Bit of a weird close for me. So bearish, lower time frame. Like for me to say it's going to come up here off this trade, which will be the only draw. Rather wait for 15 minutes to send us lower, maybe. It's not the highest time frame either. We've still got a 2 minute. Let's see what happens in a minute. Wow. Okay, I'm going to take this. Say back everything I said. Break even point. Hopefully this is not just it's inverted as well. SMT at the lows. High time reference SMT. Sorry. I'm fine to give this a little go. Watch out if ES takes this high first. I'll go break even when one of them hits that high. So we'll go long position. Stop here will probably be at this wick. I don't really want to see it coming out to that. And we'll just go to the top of here. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Is there a time to it? The manipulation? Yeah. 2:45 or 9:45, so happy. Okay. I'm gonna go break even just here because we went to the 5 minute. and a 15-minute actually. Um, yeah, definite break even here. Quite a lot to bounce from it, but we don't, which is really nice. Our draw liquidity was good, um, and if we decided to, oh, I didn't realise we carried 15 minutes. I would have realised that. So when we rebalance, we can either come into this 15-minute and go straight back down, or we can come into it and inverse it up. But the fact is, we're likely to come into the 15-minute, which is why you go break even there. Yeah, I mean, I could extend this all the way up, I reckon, but we don't care. We get our little piece. See, we got broke even. But yeah, that's a good. Is that 1 till 1.2 ish? Yeah, we're on that straight. Let me rewind it to where we got out. Latest date. Let's proceed. That's called a mech, I think. We sweat this out liquidity and we rebalance to a 5-minute and hopefully get a 1 to 1 or 1 to 1.2. So I'm gonna note this down as mech 1. Retrace. Oh, it's a mech. It's a mech. So I know what that means now. Was there a 2-minute CSD? There was. That's really nice. 2-min CSD with 2-min inversion with CSD. Great. Break even. LR lead leading up to good liquidity point. And then 9:45 P03. And then we just actually I want to do it on the time frame we inversed. Oh, screenshot that, and then we can just put that straight into our journal without having to write anything in. It's easy to do it that way, I find. Okay, going to next session. 1-0, 1 break even, 1 win, I believe. Session's been the best one out of these random ones so far, I'll tell you that. So we're going to do the exact same thing again. Start from highest time frame, which I want to do as a daily. I'm not loving this as much as the other day. Yeah, asking for some more information. Not really. Looks like we've come down to maybe like a 2-hour here and reacted from it a few times. Yeah, we have. We're taking range high, so we've gone from external to internal. So now it looks like we're just consolidating. So we'll mark out like consolidation high, consolidation low, which is the previous daily high, previous daily low. So maybe if we get a breakout, we can look to target these daily lows or daily highs. And we're the same with the S. That's all I'm going to mark out today. I don't think I need to mark anything more. I've got the session indicator already running. But it's very choppy. This could be a bank holiday, 4th of May. 4th of May. That could be a bank holiday. Oh, it's so bad. I'll trade it anyway. This does look just horrible. I can't lie. Yeah, literally no 15 minutes to come up with. 4th of May, is that a bank holiday? Should check on Forex actually. Or I'll waste 10 minutes of my time. 4, 2022. Oh no! May 4th, 2022? Is that right? Or was it May 5th? Yeah, apparently it's a normal day. It's just really choppy. Maybe something's going on in the news. Um, yeah, that's not going towards daily low. Probably going to take it here. I can't lie. I'm not liking anything at the moment. How far? Yeah, we're really far away from this. Daily low. Maybe get a mech long. Still don't like it because how bearish and choppy we are. Oh, it's going to have to be a great close there. Yeah, looks like we're just coming lower. Um, just inside this gap. I don't really want to trade this day, to be honest. Best draw liquidity's already gone. I guess we can use ES, but I mean, we'll see if there's a retrace like a 15. Let's get through that. We have retraced into 15 here, actually. Oh, that's just so bad. I need some obvious manipulation here. Yeah, I mean, yeah, okay. Good to skip that day, couldn't I? Just bad day of price action. When London and Asia sessions looks like that, it's usually bad. Okay, we've had a good reaction. We've come into this rejection wick that swept this low, and looks like we went, what the hell? What did we do? Oh my goodness. What was that PM session? Was it oh, it could be FMC. I'm such an idiot. I didn't even see that was FMC. Saw some red on the chart. Okay, that makes sense why it was so bad. But looks. Okay, I haven't seen it, but watch there be an S&T with London High and this for the S. Just watch. There's going to be one. Maybe not. Clearly, I don't know anything. Oh my stacked dailies. If we don't come up here and take this out today, I will suck a dick. A flea. Um, yeah, I mean, are we 50% this range yet? See, that was 4 hour. Yeah, we've just hit 50% of the range. I'm going to keep that there actually. See what occurs. See if we get a bounce out. Oh, this doesn't look good. Okay. Somehow bearish on the day. Just chucking it down. I mean, what is that a target? Gap fill? It's kind of the only thing I can think of. Yes, no, NQ's way lower. Just gonna have to see. I thought longs would be generations though. Gonna take it out before we get an entry? Yep, we are. Holy moly, okay. Usually when we come up like this, we do tend to come down really fast. So we've got this PM low, which is also inside a 15-minute bullish value gap. And then yeah, we're just trotting down on the S as well. I'll mark out that gap fill. The 4 hour. Love some sort of retrace. But only want it to be in a 15. Like, this is just horrendous price action. Just wait for it to come down here. Oh, come up. Oh my. Giddy on. That's got to be the worst price I've ever seen in my life. I think I'm going to react off this, by the way. So I don't think we're going to come lower within, what, 20 minutes, like all the way down here. We could. I'm definitely not taking any bloody longs, that's for sure. Except for this one. No, I wouldn't take this. Right, we've got a 15-minute here. We become lower, but I'm just not seeing it right now. Expanded. Yeah, I reckon this session's wraps. Question is, did we get an SMT? That we did. See, this is just like a very good pattern trade in my opinion. That was so bearish. I mean, yeah, didn't get the close. Oh, oh. At the end of the session. Oh, let's what's it called? Tape read this. How's it work? I've got an SMT at the low. Also got a 15-minute here now. Yeah, good break even. Oh, I mean, it's definitely not going to come up. Let's tape read this to see. Probably put fairly tight stop. Yeah, I don't mind that. Let's see if we get it. Yeah, it's completely wrong. That's why you don't take longs in this ridiculously bearish market. What did we react off in the end? Nothing. Well, we didn't actually take that. It was a tape read. It just looks nice, but I wouldn't ever trade that live. One day, or another. Gonna find it. I don't know how we didn't come up into this daily up here. This daily that is peculiar, and I don't think we came up on the yes either. Trip daily equal highs. Are you crazy? Looks like we haven't taken out previous zone low yet. Can we get like a crazy short? Oh. I feel like we could just turtle soup up here and then come lower. Don't know why we're marking that out. Definitely 30-minute here. Oh, maybe not. Where was the daily low on? Yes. Yeah, so maybe we held for that. This just looks very high resistance up here. We're taking out London and Asia high with this rejection. That data? Yeah, CPI, but we've got massive rejection from there. So hopefully we like, where's my little tool? No, I don't want bloody emojis. I want the little path. Yeah. How do I make that a favorite? There we go. Okay. I would like price to maybe like come down here, manipulate, invest the downside. I'll make this slow. Ah! You get what I mean. You get what I mean. Forget the last 2 points there. A 5-minute we can break even. Nope. Okay. Let's see. Let's see. Exactly what I said. S&Ts. I just want to take this out of just pure conviction here. Literally haven't got a single inverse, right? No. I might take this change of state. Could get manipulated here. It's a bit risky taking this, but I'm fairly dead certain on this. This low being taken. I've actually called it. We have an S&T. The only thing we don't have is an inverse. There's also first minute of price action where that stuff's going to happen. Wow. Um, that's very unfortunate. So I was completely correct about what happened, but we just re-manipulated that. Um, and there still wasn't really an entry here either. 15-second you could have taken here, maybe. But it's a 1-to-1. That's a fine loss for me. Like I was literally completely right. Just got stopped out, which is fine. Could have re-entered there. Well, maybe I'll do that live, but what can you do? Correct about draw liquidity. One loss in the day. Wouldn't take another trade now. So we move to the next day. It's got to trust our model. We're literally right about that. Those are losses I don't mind. I get re-manipulated. Daily spanning lower. What's to the left of us? That daily low. This daily low. What about yes? This daily low. Okay. Looks like we sweat this 4 hour and we are expanding lower. The hourly we can react off. So we have a bit of a new week opening gap here. Maybe we come up here, take that out. But I'm hoping this like hourly. Maybe this hourly gap can send us lower. 15 minute, it's a 15-minute intermediate high, is it? No. Let's just see on ES. What's it? God's sake. There's not an hourly gap on ES, that's crazy. A 15-minute here that we could come lower on. We can look to target this 15-minute intermediate. Let's see. Looks like we're accumulating here. Ooh. I do like it, right? Didn't see that 15-minute intermediate here. We've just swept on the S already. That's off hourly bullish over the block as well. Okay. So when do we come up into there? I mean, that is just textbook. Just kind of scared to take a. Oh, we have an S&T as there as well. Wow. That's pretty textbook. I know we failed it before. I'll do a quick break even here. Stops here. Target this. That's literally 1-to-1 anyway. Break even literally here. I do really like this. Consolidated, manipulated all of these. Break even straight away. Oh, fuck. Yeah, we'll never break even to. Let's proceed. Yeah, break even, which is fine. I mean, that's good long there, to be fair. Why did I not take that? Oh no! Oh no! So focused on shorts. Okay, let's look at plays. What? That's a horrid break even. My goodness. Got an hourly here, we've got a 15-minute here. I'm very bullish at the moment, but see us coming down from this area maybe. 30 seconds. Wow. I'm pretty keen on this 30-second short, to be fair. I'll target down here. I mean, we could just target. Um, I do like this 30-second. Come up, respect all of these. The hourly we've whipped up. The thing is, I don't know where I'll put my break-even point. Oh, looks like we're getting stopped out. Fuck you. Okay, trade plays out. We get stopped out by tick. Oh, that's jarring. Well, I mean, even though I'm technically losing this session, my draw liquidity has been right every single time. Um, I mean, that is a crazy rejection whack. Maybe I go break even like that, but I don't think I would have. That's annoying. But we move. We move. So what's that? 2 losses, 1 win? Oh dear. I mean, draw liquidity's been perfect every time. If you know where the market's going, you're in a highly likely position to succeed. Look bullish here, obviously. Got this draw, got daily high intact still, previous day high. Similar scenario. Yes, very similar. Maybe got some sort of market manipulation at the start. Manipulation to one of these 15 minutes. I'm sure there's an hourly in here. Maybe not. 30-minute. Yeah. Sounds hard, perhaps. Maybe not. So come on straight away. I wasn't really convinced on shorts there. I want to see some sort of long. Oh, this area. We're actually off this bearish rejection wick. I can still see us coming higher. Yeah, maybe not. 15-minute here. I mean, as a long, you can't really take that, can you? No. Nothing prints though. Oh, so annoying. Wow. It's been a bit of an awkward session, I can't lie to you. Please can we get a 5-minute continuation here before it hits this external. Don't like how big my stop would be if I took this 5-minute long. Like, maybe it's 70 points, but that's still quite a lot. I'd rather get some sort of 5-minute come. No chance for 15-minute. 5-minute here. Another first 5-minute here. I've got this order block as well. And we have a 3 minutes to the upside, right? Yeah. S and take this low. has inversed the 3 minute. I'm taking this long. Long position here. Find my stop at 50% this wick, and we'll go to this high order. So, is there a time limit manipulation as well? Not really. Don't really have a PO3 here, but I'm happy to give this a go. Re-entry perhaps? Hmm. Just absolutely nothing. Well, I'm sucking this session. Holy moly. Absolutely sucking. Now we're getting this before we go live markets. Got a 15-minute gap here. That's just crazy. I don't know how we haven't come up and taken that. This is a very bad week for me. I thought it was fine to begin with. I guess not. I'm performing awfully. Maybe it's because I'm talking too much. We'll give it a go, no talking. Just learn and watch, boys. Watch and learn. Hello? We back, we back. I hate these stupid 930 ones. I mean, that's so obvious. Short. Stop here. Range low. Quick break even here. I mean, like, what's. How do I not take that? Not gonna break even there. Oh, thank God. Now, what do I do here? Do I take out some? Oh, I didn't bloody order it. For goodness sake. Oh, we did. Yeah. Create equal lows. It's 1-to-1. Yeah. We hit 1-to-1. So we'll take out 75%. And then we are going to go all the way to this low here. All the rest. So it's a break even now. Okay, that's why you go break even. Lucky I want to range low there. Oh well. Still a dub. And then we go into the next day. Slowly raking it back. I mean, that is such good low resistance liquidity below. We've just taken out this high on both. Inverse to 5 minute, I mean, that's a good short to me. But market's not open yet. We manipulate that. Oh, really bad close. S&T as well. I mean, that's such a good short. Is it like a daily low? That's really close by to make me more convinced about this. This Daily gap. That is yonks away. Yeah, I'm not too confident about taking this. Because it already hit our break-even point. I mean, maybe this could be our break-even point. Let's take this. 2 days in a row. There we go. 9:30. Bro! There we go. We've got an S&T. It's all there except for we've just kind of hit this low already, but I'm hopefully expecting it to flush. We've got, oh my god, is that, yeah, data low here as well. Oh, that is so obvious. We hit it on ES yet? We have. Now we go break even. Oh, so close. So close to our no way! No way! That's gotta be some sort of bullshit. Hit break even on that. What? That's really unfortunate. But again, John liquidity is correct. I'm hoping this continues lower. We get breaker. 2-minute inverse. And right now, it's still not. There's no real great draw to target on the upside. We haven't swept major liquidity. I think this is just a result of all the low resistance points. So I don't think we're going to break this high. Except for we do. But I wouldn't target that. Dropping, dropping, dropping. Wait for this 15-minute inverse to be secure before we really do anything. Okay, it's definitely secure. Can we get a 5-minute long? Hourly gap up here we can target. Edge the hourly. I don't mind if I do. Oh, what? Oh, we don't come to that 5-minute. That's so annoying. Oh well, we can't take this. How's it not coming to the 5-minute? That comes any lower. That touches this line, that's true. A lot of near misses here, I can't lie. Yeah, it just looks like we're gonna tank, doesn't it? And maybe we could do come into this 5-minute now. Bruh. Wow. Unbelievable. Still haven't come into it, yes. It's this 5-minute that's not sponsored, like just taking out this high. Obvious net straw, and it's already end of the section. Oh well. Okay, I'm kind of wanting to do 2 weeks because I kind of want to get a positive balance in the old bank here. Can't lie. We're really unlucky without break even, weren't we? Bloody hell. Literally the exaggerated one it is. So reacting off a daily? No, that's a big imbalance. This 4 hour could not be more obvious. Um, damn, damn, damn. No, I won't take anything there. Edge the 4 hour. Nice. Have we hit it on? Yes, though. We have already, but still a 4 hour intermediate, which I don't mind. Invest the downside in 15-minute now. Set that high. Like, yeah. Wow, I was really confident about that low. But we've inversed it. I mean, the 4 hour, sorry. Looks like we're coming up. Unfilled 5 minute here. Wow. It's not the sort of price action I thought we'd get. Can't lie. I thought we'd definitely hit that 4 hour before coming high. That's invest the hourly. Don't really know what's going on this session. What the hell? How are we still coming higher? Not any sort of pullback. Guess reacting off order blocks. I mean, what's the next key level? This high up here? It's yonks away. What? Yes. Yeah, same thing. I mean, I would not target this high. 30-minute here. Reacting off kind of an order block. Nothing really. Nothing really at all. No. That session done. Oh my goodness. Very bearish here. Yeah, sure, dude. Just take it all away. Take it all away from me. I don't bloody want it. Oh, what can I do here? Absolutely nothing. Wouldn't mind the short. Just to an unfilled 5. Maybe not. To an unfilled 2. Unfilled 3. Oh well. Oh, oh my goodness. 3 minute. Oh, we get a close, but wow, that's tight. I'm happy we got a close. 50% of the wick. And then it's a 1 to 1.11. Break even maybe when it yes takes that load. Some take the high like that. This is a really good trade. Hopefully it pans up. Yay! Yay! We're in profit again. And remember, when we got stopped out, two of them out of the three we got stopped out by not much, and they went straight to our TP. And then we had one break even where it went break even by a tick and hit our TP. And I'm only break even across all of that. And that is the worst of the worst case scenario for nearly all of them. Um, and I'm break even. So there's going to be times where I'm trading, but instead of getting break even there, it just runs to my TP or it doesn't stop me out. Like this is just my model at 50%. Sometimes you get 90% win rate, sometimes you get 50% win rate, sometimes you get 60% win rate. But overall, it's probably like around, for me, I reckon it's around 65% to 70% at the moment. It can be better. I know it can be better. But even trading not long. Um, yeah, that was nice. Um, shall I do? I'll do 2 more days. 2 more days. Actually, I'll go till 11 p.m. for me. So maybe I need to hurry up. Finally, we're coming up here. That looks like a daily high to me. Yeah. Okay, manipulate this low and run to the daily high, please. So I'm pretty. Nice projection work. I went in and out on NES. That's perfect. Send us lower. Send us lower. Is that data low as well? Kind of. We'd open. That's up here. 5 minute. Sketchy that 5 minute. I'd rather see us come lower. Rather see us come lower before we long. That's only 30 seconds. That's not even 30 seconds. No chance of longing out here. No chance. Come lower. Oh, let's let us hit this. Okay, S&T is still reacting from the 5 minute. This is what I like. Accumulation, manipulation. Yes. 30 seconds, sorry, a minute. Yeah, we do. Do. What can we inverse here? Huh. A 1 minute looks like the moment. Yeah, no. What we got now? 3 minute, 4 minute, 3 minute, and a 4 minute. Let's take this. Come on, you know you want to go up. You know you want to. I don't like how we're so close to this. Intermediate low now. I'd rather us take it. I think it's added the liquidity as well. There's a 5 minute here. We can go break even now as well. If we do sweep this, I wouldn't mind holding all the way up. Sweep me, 30-second, please. Oh, it's two kind of 30 seconds here. We've got an S&T as well. Which is really nice, especially because ES has already come up and draw, so we had a high time S&T, and now we have a low time frame S&T in the opposite way, as in NQ sweeps it, but ES hasn't. Um, 30 seconds. Please just take out both of them in one candle, that would be great. Tempted to get in here. Go break even that's high if you really want to. But we're just going to get a little piece of the pie. Target a 5 minute. Do you have a 5 minute here? 5 minute intermediate. All the way up here. Yeah, I like this. When do we play it? Oh, this is 10 a.m. open. It depends if we have news on this day, I guess. If this is like a news candle now, then I don't want to trade it. Now we go break even. Okay, it looks like there's no high impact news, or there was no news, which is fine. Okay, when we get to one, do we get to 1-to-1 there? That's 1-to-1. Hello. Well, you know what? I think we edge 1-to-1. Do. Oh, there we go. Okay, we have taken that all the way up. Yeah. Please tell me no. Tell me no. Please tell me no. Yes. See, that's what I've learned from backtesting. Even though I think it's probably going to come up all the way up, it's better to take the little piece because it's going to react from that. It's going to react from here no matter what. And you will lose if you target too high. Oh yes, I'm happy with myself there. I'm happy with myself. Yeah, we took the first one. Didn't want to go break even here. I was pretty confident about it coming out to the 5 minute. And we did. We did. I mean, I could have taken this close, maybe, and put my stop here in for 1-to-1, which would have played as well. But I wanted to get in ASAP there. I did. Cool. Better RR as well. Okay, what we've got? We've got 6 minutes. Let's go to the last session. This will be the last day. Turn this around, haven't we? We still would have had our funded account. 15 minute, internal to external maybe. Maybe we're taking the low one, yes, no. So both are intact. Reacting from this 15-minute bearish gap. So hopefully we just do the same here. Just come down and take the external. Simples. Looks like we're consolidating. Ooh. Weird long to take. Right, so anyway, doesn't look like 30 seconds. Can we react down here? Do. Nothing really, there's no inverse there. Which is unfortunate because this is really good. We sweep this high? Do. It looks very wicky right now. It's not the nicest. We'll go 30 seconds here, see what it closes. Oh no, I was about to say. We've got a lovely rejection wick here. Ratting off it, we've tapped 50%. We've reswept this, we've got an S&T. Oh, that's so nice, isn't it? So nice. But we've taken our break-even point, which would have been here already. Oh well. Yeah, and the S's will be got there. Damn you, doing it without me. So I got 1-to-1. Yeah, I would have. Yeah, I would have. It's like low resistance down here. Next out is hourly, unless we have like something on the 2 hour or the 3 or the 4 hour, sorry. Mark out as 2 hour. Deadly low as well, which is nice. Definitely think we're heading towards that. Can we get a 5 minute long? Yeah, a 3 minute. Oh, such an obvious draw. Or we do resweep that. Get a 1 minute close there. Is that the highest time frame inversion? It is. 30-second. I do not mind this, you know. SNT. When do we get that manipulation though? 45. Only negative thing about here is that we didn't actually um, come into a high time frame gap. Well, like a 5 minute gap. Draw's fairly obvious. Did we hit 50%? We tapped it. I mean, this is gold. I'm gonna take this. Let's give this a go. I know we didn't tap a 5 minute, but see how it goes. See how it goes. If we take a loss here, we take a loss. But I'm also being maybe a bit more risky because this 30-second candle close was really nice. Might be a bit more risky because I know it's the last trade. Oh, that is cold. Could we have held this 2 hour? Yes, we could have. No, we couldn't have. Boom, another representation of piece of the pie. We've got this external here, not getting greedy. We've come down from minus 800, turned it into 1400. Oh, freaking yeah. Really nice. Okay, that's me done. Look at our analytics. We have like 60% win rate, maybe? It's 2.5. Yeah, I mean, sometimes it's higher than that, sometimes it's lower. We took really harsh break even, um, and then 2 losses out of our 3. We got wicked out, and then ran to our TP. So, really good session. You've got to remain consistent. Look, we had this dip. We won one and then lost 1, 2, 3 in a row. Didn't panic. Um, got back up. So 4 trades in a row lost would have been loss of fund account, but we didn't. Lost 3 in a row. That's quite rare for me anyway. And then you've got to trust your system. Yeah. Thank you for coming along this journey with me. How about that?